Okay, this is a study on momentum strategy based on ranking on the variation percentage against the ATR. Okay, on the Nikkei, Euro stock, FTSE, and the Nasdaq. All right. So the interesting thing is Nasdaq works very well. Okay. We have this equity line. This is FTSE. This is the Euro stocks, and this is the Nikkei. Okay. If you look at the metrics, we have a 29% in average return with a Sharp ratio of 1.05, which is very good. Maximum drawdown of 51% for the Nasdaq, while on the FTSE is 10.7 with a 59% drawdown. On Euro stock we have a 13.4, which is better than FTSE, but a 50% drawdown. 40% drawdown on the Nikkei, and a massive return. There's something wrong here, in my opinion. We can have a look. So this, you see, at the beginning doesn't work, so we can check the Nikkei. Let's go here. Nikkei. Okay, let's have a look. I'm just looking for the data. It's downloading the data of the stocks included in the Nikkei. Just a few seconds, and we check if we have a good historical. I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, this is the other data. These stocks, they start in 1984, 2004. Okay, 1994, 97, 98. 2008, some of them started in 2016. That's the reason. 1/4/2016. Okay, let's try to resimulate by modifying this. The date started in 2016 May, the first Friday. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna pause, and this is the result in from 2016 on the Nikkei, which is not great, right? 5.7%. So we can conclude that the momentum strategy works better, actually much better, on the Nasdaq. So what we're going to do now is to test this S&P 500 and the Dow Jones as well. And this is the result on the S&P 500. As you can see, it's not good. I mean, it's worse than the Nasdaq. Okay, 13%, 48%, 0.58. Interesting bit. Let's start in 2015. Let's say December, first Friday, just to check how is BA. Okay, I'm gonna put, and this is the result on S&P 500 momentum strategy from 2016. We have a 31% against 11, 34% drawdown. Yeah, the momentum strategy seems to work better on the Nasdaq. Okay, let's try something else. Okay, the momentum strategy on DAX shows an error. It means there is some error here. Okay, on 2017, some data error, which is invalidating the data. So what we can do, we can start the simulation from 2017, 26 January 2017. Close this, 26 January 2017. 26 January 2017, we start from here and go. And this is the result on DAX. And definitely we are losing money here, if the data are correct. So now we try the Dow Jones. And this is the result on Dow. Definitely again lower compared to Nasdaq. However, there's a lower drawdown, sharp ratio 0.46, not great. It's not working great. This is the Dow S&P, and this is the Dow. So the Dow, like you can see, in 2008 it suffered the strategy that has been positive for every year. So interesting. Alright, I think for the momentum we tried it all. I just want to try something else. Instead this category, let's see, there is a new one here, Dow 30 momentum. Of 1 month, we use 1 month. Okay, let's try this one, just as the last one. Let's go. Even with 1 month, this is the result of Dow Jones on 1 month compared to 12-month variation. Still not very good. So nothing. The the momentum strategy that definitely works on Nasdaq, but and that's it. And other market is not worth it because of the drawdown doesn't justify sharp rate use to down. So I think we conclude this analysis.